An overview of course automations. So from the dashboard, go into courses and open up the course. If you're already in the course, go across to automations. So with automations, it allows you to easily set up automated emails and other actions based on events or triggers. So we have a series of automation rules that can be applied to send emails out to students when they enroll in a course. And this is an overview of how automations work. So we can also edit the automation rules, and we can set up as many emails as we want with different triggered events assigned to them. Now, to find out more about automations, make sure that you check out the support document on all the different types of automation rules you can set up. Just briefly, I'm going to go into that you can actually sequence of actions that you can trigger are emails to go out. You can also set tagging up to tag students and use webhooks. You can drip the content over days, hours, or specific dates when a trigger happens. So when someone enrolls to your course or completes a course, then the action can then fire. So this is a must-have feature for any onboarding, engagement, or nurturing and upsells. So automations is a key part of Zenler's platform, and the way it works inside courses is pretty similar to how it works in most of the other places in the site. So learning this automation for courses will set the foundation for learning automations in other parts of the Zenler platform and their appropriate features. This is an overview of automations for your courses.